Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is William. Today's topic is about code. I had a conversation with AI about code and I know several terms about it. So now I try to retell the main meaning of the conversation as a part of my daily exercise. So the first term is code itself. A term room is where the case takes place. And in the courtroom, we have a judge. Judge is the person who gives the decision of the case, who will listen to both sides of the story and give a fair and justice decision. And usually think he is wronged in some way, and he wants a judge to give him a fair and justice decision to make everything fair. That's called plaintiff. It's a person who wants to complain. And on the other side is the defendant. Defendant is the person who was complained, who was accused by the plaintiff. So he needs to go to the courtroom and present the side of his story to the judge. And before the victim, he was innocent. And both the plaintiff and the defendant don't necessarily to have a lawyer. Lawyer is the person who, behalf of his client, to get the most out of the case. He wants to present to before their clients and make the most out of the outcome. So they are a lawyer. Usually they know a lot of knowledge of laws, but we don't necessarily to have a lawyer. But it's beneficial to have a lawyer to present ourselves because normal people don't have the knowledge to present themselves. It's better to have a lawyer to present to see your story. And usually we have a jury. Jury is not necessary for small cases, because small cases are usually very straightforward. We don't need jury to judge. Usually we just need judge to give his decision. And having jury usually need a lot of social sources, so we don't need a jury for small cases. But for serious cases like murder or very bad cases, we need jury to present to give their specific perspective of common people. Usually a jury, the members don't have the very rich knowledge of laws. They present common people, they present the community. So inducing jury is a way to balance common people and professionals, but we don't need jury for each case. We just need it for serious cases. And in the case, usually we have witness. Witness is the person who saw the crime or who know something about the case, and they will present in the court to see their story before the judge or the jury to help them to reach a verdict. And what they say or something related to the case is called testimony. And we have another term is court officer. Court officer is like police officer, but his duty is in the courtroom. It's also called bailiff. Bailiff is the specific term for them, whose task is to handle practical tasks like bring the testimony to the jury or something, or keep the courtroom in order to make the court to make the job more smoothly. And often we have audience in the court. Usually they are the family member of the plaintiff or the defendant, or some relatives with friends with those people, or just public people who want to know the process of the case. That's the terms I know about the court, and I try to retell the terms in this video. I try to recall myself when I'm doing the everyday English speaking exercise. Okay, if you are learning a foreign language, I highly recommend that you can follow this method. And remember, thanks for watching, and remember, real practice makes real progress. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow.